Hello, and welcome to my channel. We're all about wealth or finance management, new business ideas, quick tips to make your life better, or anything that can help you in your daily life. Click the bell button, as we're surely going to change the way you think about daily life or business. In today's video, we're going to find out 7 small business ideas at low cost. Starting a business is a great idea, but it's not easy with a tight budget and without proper guidance. If you're ready to take the first step toward creating your own business, here are some tips. 1. Get organized. The best way to start a business is by being organized and having a plan in place before you even start writing out the first check. This will make sure you don't waste any time or money on things that won't help you get your business off the ground. 2. Research. Before you even think about hiring people or spending money on marketing, be sure that you've done as much research as possible about what types of businesses other people like to run and how long it takes them to grow their businesses from scratch, and then plan accordingly. 3. Create goals. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is not setting clear goals for themselves when they first start out. If you don't know where you want to see your company or business in the next 3 to 4 years, then you won't be able to put the right amount of effort in it. It will cause slow growth or no growth at all for your business. Let's check out at least 7 business ideas which you can start at low budget. 1. Relationship coaching business. Relationship coaching is a great business to get a small start to earning some bucks. Many people suffer with their relationships. They're afraid of being rejected, nervous about what to say or do next, or frustrated by a lack of communication. Relationship coaching is a great way to get over these fears and learn how to communicate more effectively with the people in your life. But it can be difficult to figure out where to start. Here are some keynotes that will help you get started. 1. Think of yourself as a specialist or an expert in your field. You know more about relationships than anyone else. So why not use that knowledge to help other people? 2. Find a mentor who has experience in this area and ask them questions like, how did you get started? Or what's your plan of action for dealing with conflict? 3. Create a plan for how you'll reach out to clients and create marketing materials like brochures or marketing emails. This will help you stay organized and remind yourself why you're doing this work in the first place. The number 2 business idea is career coaching business. A career coaching business is a great way to earn money and make a name for yourself. You can start your own business with little or no money, but it takes time and hard work. The first step is to find a niche in which you can help people improve their skills and knowledge. You should also find out what your clients want from you. What are their problems? What do they need to improve? You may also want to check out job boards and forums where people are looking for help with improving their skills. Once you know what type of services your clients want, then you need to create a business plan that will help them reach their goals more quickly than they would otherwise be able to do on their own. This means creating detailed plans with timelines that show how much each part of the project will cost, how long each stage will take, and how much profit there will be at the end of it all. 3. Furniture refurbishing. Refurbished furniture is furniture that has been used, damaged, and worn out. After someone has refurbished your old furniture, you can then sell it to make money. You can also sell your refurbished furniture to someone else and make money that way too. The most important thing, like many other businesses, is location. If you start a furniture refurnishing business in an area that has a lot of demand for furniture, then you'll likely get a lot of customers. Here are some important things to remember when you're starting your business. 1. Get started with a beginner type of project. 2. Keep your costs low. 3. After first project, be willing to take on any project. 4. Be flexible with your hours. 5. Keep your options open. 6. Be patient. The number 4 business idea is recruiting services. Recruitment services are typically done on a commission basis. This means that the recruiter will earn a percentage of all new hires they make, as well as the employees that they put in place. If you want to start a recruitment services business and earn money, you'll need to figure out how to recruit people. If you don't already have a network of contacts that you can call on to help with recruiting, then you can utilize the internet. There are many sites that you can use to find jobs that are posted online. Additionally, you can use social media to find potential recruiters. What you'll do is to help business owners to find qualified candidates that can go through their interview process, which can be time consuming and a lot of work. You can make money by charging recruiters for your service or by allowing recruiters to earn money from their projects. 5. Property management. If you own a home and wish to make some money from it, you have a few options. You can sell it, rent it out and collect rent, or you can invest in a property management business. When starting a property management business, it's important to consider the location and market before you decide what your property management business will be. The property management industry is one of the fastest expanding industries in the world. There are many different ways that you can invest in property management. You can invest in a property management company, an online property management company, or you can invest in a residential property. If you decide to start a property management business, you'll be able to make your own schedule and work on your own hours. You'll be able to work according to your flexibility and at your own pace. You can also start your own company, but you'll have to work more hours. If you want to start your own company, but you're not sure how to finance it, you can find a company that will finance your idea. 6. Car detailing. We all know that maintaining a vehicle is important, but we often neglect the value of detailing our cars. You can find a niche of the industry that you can excel in. Car detailing is a fast growing industry, and you can find a profitable niche in it. If you want to start a car detailing business, you can do so by taking your experience in other industries and applying it to this. You can also use the insights of and learn from other successful car detailing businesses. Car detailing can be a profitable business, and it's a simple business to start. It will take time to build up your clientele, and it's important to be patient. If you have the right tools and knowledge, you'll be able to perform car detailing quickly and efficiently. 7. Computer Training Center. Starting a computer training center business is not difficult, but it's a great way to take your computer skills to the next level. The best way to start a computer training center is to find a location that you like. You can start classes in your garage, basement, or office space. You'll need to purchase software that's used in the training center. The software will help you customize your classes so they meet your students' needs. If you're new to the computer training field, you can find software that will allow you to quickly learn how to teach. You'll also need to teach a class or two. You can charge a fee for your classes and offer discounts to students who take more than one class. So these were our 7 small business ideas at low cost. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you'll love our other ones too. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our latest content.